Nobody was waiting on the left.
Yeah.
The light was unlikely to change. Go a little bit slow because that Range Rover on the right is restricting the view, so bring it to a gentle stop into first. Okay, on the gas. Yeah, because I was about to say Range Rover on the right was restricting your view a little bit, so if a pedestrian was going to come, they were going to come with very little notice. So that one there would be one of those moments where you do keep your speed just that little bit lower. Yeah. Because you can't guarantee that it's safe. We're going to take the next road on the right. Slow it down a bit more into first gear. It's a one-way street you're turning into, so you can wait here. You don't need to go halfway across to turn in. So don't go. Cyclist behind it. Yeah. So, is it safe now?
Yeah.
Now you can go. Yeah, because you responded to that vehicle there. Well, that vehicle there has probably not looked in their mirror. They probably haven't seen there's a cyclist there.
Yeah.
So, go into second gear. So, he might be telling you by waiting, oh, you can go, but you must check it's safe. Yeah, don't assume because somebody stopped it's safe. Check for yourself.